Welcome back to Lionheart English, the best place for learning English with a smile.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you're here.
I'm Ruby. Nice to meet you.
And I'm Mark, your guide to better English.
This is the place to learn English the fun way.
No boring lessons here, just real talk.
So grab a coffee
Get comfortable.
and let's start the show. Mark, are you okay? You look a bit quiet today.
I don't know, Ruby. I feel a bit off.
Off. You look a little pale.
Pale? You mean my face is white?
Yes. Maybe you are feeling under the weather.
Under the weather? Am I outside in the rain?
No. It means you are feeling a little sick.
Oh, I see. Yes, I feel like I might be getting sick.
Do you have any symptoms?
Just a small headache, and my eyes feel tired.
Maybe you caught a cold.
I hope not. I hate getting a cold.
You must take care of yourself, Mark.
I know, but I am so busy all the time.
Even busy people get sick. It happens.
Is there a difference between sick and ill?
Good question. Sick is common, like a cold.
And ill? Is that more serious?
Yes. Ill is often used for a more serious problem.
So I am just sick, not ill. That's good.
Let's hope it stays that way. So, let's talk about the common cold.
The worst. It starts with a little sniffle.
A sniffle? What is a sniffle for our listeners?
It's that noise you make when your nose is running.
Exactly. You have a runny nose.
Yes, and then you have to blow your nose every minute.
And you are always saying, achoo!
Don't say it. That makes me want to sneeze.
Achoo! Did you sneeze just now, Mark?
No, but I almost did. That was a close call.
You should cover your mouth when you sneeze.
I know, but sometimes it comes out too fast.
You need a warning sign for your sneezes.
Maybe a small flag that pops up?
That would be very funny.
The worst part is the sore throat.
A sore throat? Is it painful when you swallow?
Yes, it feels like you swallowed glass.
Ouch! That sounds serious.
It is. And then the cough starts.
Is your cough dry or is it deep?
It starts dry and then it gets loud.
You need to drink hot tea with honey.
Is that a special home remedy?
Yes, a home remedy is a cure from old traditions.
My grandma says I should eat raw garlic.
Oh no, that sounds worse than the cold.
But she says it makes me better.
I think it just makes your friends stay far away.
Maybe that's the point. No one can catch my cold.
That's one way to stop the germs.
So I need tissues, honey, and garlic breath?
You need rest, Mark, and maybe a nice soup.
I want the garlic. I want to try that remedy.
Please, if you try it, please stand far away from me.
Will do. I will be this smelly, healthy person.
Just make sure you stay home if you feel bad.
Take a sick day? But I have too much work.
A sick day is a day off work when you are ill.
I always go to work when I'm sick. I'm a hero.
You are not a hero. You are spreading the germs.
Oh, I never thought about that.
You make everyone else sick. That is not kind.
So I should stay home and watch movies?
Yes, get plenty of rest. Sleep is the best cure.
But what if I have a fever?
A fever is when your body is too hot.
Yes, my forehead gets really warm.
You should use a thermometer to check your temperature.
I just use my hand. If it's warm, it's a fever.
That is not very accurate, Mark.
It works for me. My hand is very sensitive.
I think you should just take some basic cold medicine.
Do you mean a pill?
Yes, a pill from the pharmacy. It helps the symptoms.
Okay. Tea, rest, medicine, and maybe a little garlic.
Skip the garlic. Just focus on the rest.
Deal. I will focus on being a couch potato.
That's the perfect plan for a cold.
So next time I start to sniffle,
You stop, you rest, and you text me.
I will text you a picture of my garlic.
Please don't. Just text me, I am resting.
Okay, fine. Rest it is. For the good of the team.
My small headache is getting worse now.
Oh no. Is it a bad one? A throbbing headache?
Yes, throbbing means it is beating, right?
Correct. Like a drum is beating inside your head.
That is exactly how it feels. I need to lie down.
Sometimes a headache is from too much screen time.
I stare at my computer for 10 hours a day.
You need a break. Give your eyes some rest.
What about my body? My back aches.
When you say your back aches, it means a dull pain.
Yes, not a sharp pain, just a dull, annoying one.
And your back aches because you sit badly.
I sit like a pretzel. It's comfortable for me.
No, Mark, that is bad for your posture.
My posture? Like how I sit or stand?
Yes, sit up straight. That will stop the back pain.
What if I eat something bad? My stomach aches.
If your stomach aches, it is pain in your belly.
I had a huge bag of chips for a snack.
Well, there is your diagnosis. Bad food.
How do I say my leg hurts?
You can say, I have a pain in my leg.
A pain is the general word for hurt, right?
That's right. You can have a pain anywhere.
So I have a throbbing headache and a pain in my neck.
You need to take some simple painkillers.
A painkiller is a medicine to stop the pain.
Correct. Then get up and stretch that neck.
I will stretch after the show, I promise.
Okay. Your back aches, your head throbs. It's time.
Time for what? A magic healing potion?
No. Time for a doctor's appointment.
The doctor. I hate calling to book an appointment.
It's necessary. You need a diagnosis.
A diagnosis is the doctor's decision about the illness.
You got it. Now, you need to describe your symptoms.
The symptoms? Like my headache and my sniffles.
Yes. Let's practice. I am Dr. Ruby now.
Oh no. Okay, Dr. Ruby.
Hello, Mark. What are your symptoms?
I have a bad sore throat, and my head hurts.
How long have you had the sore throat?
Since Tuesday. 3 long days.
And is the pain getting worse or staying the same?
It is getting a little worse, especially when I talk.
Let me check your temperature.
Is it a fever? Tell me the truth.
No fever. Now, take a deep breath.
Oh. That's a deep breath.
Okay, I think you have a mild cold.
Just a mild cold? I thought it was serious.
You just need rest and a prescription.
A prescription is the paper for the pharmacy.
Yes, this is medicine to help your throat pain.
Do I need to take the medicine for a long time?
No, just for 5 days. You must finish the course.
Finish the course? Even if I feel better?
Yes, it makes sure all the bad germs are gone.
Okay, Dr. Rupi. Thank you for the advice.
The soup is an important part of the treatment.
I hope I feel better soon.
You will. Now, remember, I am not a real doctor.
Oh, right. That was just a practice run.
Yes, but you must use those phrases with a real doctor.
So, I need to call the doctor for a real appointment.
If you don't feel better tomorrow, then yes.
Okay. I will try the rest and the soup first.
Good idea. You need to focus on prevention, too.
Prevention? Like stopping the illness before it starts?
Exactly. That is the best medicine of all.
So, I need to be more careful.
Good idea. You need to focus on prevention, too.
Prevention? Like stopping the illness before it starts?
Exactly. That is the best medicine of all.
So, I need to be more careful.
Yes. The first thing is to wash your hands often.
I wash them sometimes.
No, you need to wash them thoroughly.
Thoroughly means really well, right?
Yes, get all the germs off your fingers.
I should sing the alphabet song while washing.
That's a great tip. You are a fast learner.
What else should I do for prevention?
Get enough sleep. Sleep makes your body strong.
Sleep is my favorite kind of medicine.
And eat healthy food, not just chips and soda.
I should eat more colorful vegetables.
Colorful food means more vitamins for your body.
So sleep, clean hands, and colorful food.
You are an expert now. You are building your immune system.
My immune system is the part that fights the illness.
Correct. Keep it strong and you won't get sick often.
So I need to take care of myself.
Yes, take care of yourself. It's the most important job.
I will start my prevention plan today.
Excellent. Now let's wrap this up before you run off to the pharmacy.
Wait, I forgot about vitamins.
Vitamins are very helpful, especially vitamin C.
Should I buy a big bottle of them?
You should get them from real food first.
Like an orange a day keeps the doctor away?
That's the idea. Fruit is better than a pill.
What if I already feel a little symptom?
If you feel a small symptom, act fast.
Act fast? Like run to the bed?
Yes, take a hot drink and rest immediately.
I usually wait until I feel really sick.
No, early rest can stop the cold from getting worse.
So I am an early symptom detective.
You are. You catch the cold before it catches you.
This is all about being prepared.
Exactly. It is about being proactive, not reactive.
Proactive means taking action before something happens.
You've got it. You are a brilliant student, Mark.
Thank you. I will be the healthiest person here.
Just remember to share the health tips, not the germs.
Deal. No more spreading my cold around the office.
Perfect. Now we really should wrap up. Well, Mark, I hope you feel much better now.
I do. Just talking about it made me feel healthier.
That's the power of learning. Now, a quick review.
Let's remember the important words we learned.
First, when you feel a bit sick, you are under the weather.
I am no longer under the weather. I am sunny.
Good. And when your head hurts, it is a throbbing headache.
Or a small stomachache from too many chips.
Remember, don't forget the difference between a sniffle and a sneeze.
And the best cure is plenty of rest and a sick day.
And the most important word for long-term health.
Prevention. I must keep my immune system strong.
Excellent summary. You passed the health test.
I will use my new English words at the doctor's appointment.
Just make sure you describe your symptoms clearly.
I will tell them I need a prescription for my cough.
Perfect, Mark. You are ready for anything.
So, what should our listeners do today?
Take care of yourself. That is the final advice.
Wash your hands thoroughly and get enough sleep.
And don't forget to practice those new phrases.
Listen to this episode again to finish the course of words.
I love that. Thank you for joining us today on Lionheart English.
We hope you stay healthy and happy.
Bye for now. Feel better soon.
See you next time.